बहुत टाइम से आपकी नजर थी या आपको वो क्यूट लग रहा है, find anyone. Everyone goes to that one person. We call that one playboy on stage. What do you think?
And she has her nails done. Come on, that is the most.
So cute. Volume up कर दो because the star of the show, Srishti Garg, is here. Cutie.
I'm one of the greatest, ain't no debating on it. I'm still levitated, I'm ready to
Hi
make
guys, hi. First of all, thank you so much for coming. This means the world to me. We're still awaiting a lot more people, but thank you so much. I hope you guys are liking the whole vibe and what we're going to do today. So I'll tell you a little gist of what's basically planned for it. Am I missing everyone there? Yeah. So I'll basically tell you the gist of what we're doing. Do you guys know each other by any chance? Are there any friends together? So everyone's single, right? Because मुझे किसी का घर नहीं तोड़ना है. So I am going to be pairing you guys with each other. It won't be a guy or a girl. We keep on switching, and I'll give you guys very cute questions to ask each other. Hi, Bhavik. I'll give you guys cute questions to ask each other, and we'll see if it goes. You have to tell someone your 3 strongest points that you think are in nobody else. But like just pick a volunteer and convince them about your 3 strongest points. Oh, okay. Yeah, what would you like to pitch her?
I'm a pop culture enthusiast.
I know तुम मेरी रील्स पे कमेंट करते हो, I know.
Yes. I'm a movie nerd. You can ask me about anything about any movies, Bollywood, Hollywood, Tollywood. And one thing that I should not say, but I'm more into wrestling.
Wrestling.
Yeah.
But what do you find the most interesting about it so far?
Actually, we don't know anything about him. I can't say it.
What do you Okay, so Pooja, I'm gonna call you on stage, and I can give you the liberty to pick any cute guy that you would want to check your compatibility with. Yeah. Wow. Jalaj, if you and Pooja were to date, are you the kind of man who's obsessive and would you check her DMs?
No, I don't think I'm that way.
And would you check his DMs?
No.
What? Guys, don't tell. I find it really hot when people are like obsessive about each other. Like, what do you guys think? Is that hot or is that like.
No.
I want someone who wants me bad. Okay, fine. So you don't.
But doesn't it work both ways? If they want me back too, I don't need to check their DMs.
So do you think a girl can have a guy best friend? Toxic. कौन बोला ये fuck से?
Like that's a yellow flag. I don't know. Like
What's a yellow flag?
they've been like somebody could have been friends for 10 years. Like I've just come onto the scene. How can I be the one?
Okay, but like if the guy best friend is like super touchy and like you know.
That's just weird then.
Okay.
Over time, I just let her know that I'm not comfortable with it, and then see what her response is.
And what do you think? Do you think Jalaj can have a girl best friend? And she can be like, you know, अरे आंटी मैं तो इससे बहुत close थी यार, आप तो एक girlfriend तो बाद में. Like, would you tolerate a girl like that?
It depends on what the dynamics are. If they are like childhood friends and they're close, like in a romantic way, I'm fine with it. But if it's not, and then she's trying to be like, मैं ऐसा था, no.
Okay, tell me something. You guys have spent what, like 5 minutes together right now? If there's a one physical quality, physical trait that you're both attracted to in each other, what would it be?
I think her hair is really beautiful. Like
Ooh, that's quite smooth. That's kind of smooth. Okay, what do you think about him?
Got a pretty smile.
Oh, that's such a cute Even she's got a really pretty smile. And what do you think? Like, do you think there is something potential here? Is there tension?
I'd love to get to know them.
I think we should pair them together for the speed dating. What do you guys think? Yeah? Are we feeling it, Pooja?
Maybe.
Maybe. She's playing hard to get. I love that about you. Guys, can I have everyone's attention here? I'll just quickly explain explain the game real quick. So Zia and I are sitting opposite to each other. We ask each other questions. Questions आपके टेबल पर आपको मिल जाएंगे and I will give you guys 2 minutes. Then you switch tables with the next person so we can go in this clockwise direction. And जब सब लोग एक दूसरे से मिल लेंगे, finally the people जिनका red, pink, same आया है, I am going to call you guys on the stage to check if there was actually freak that was being matched. So that's the whole game. Am I clear, guys? Please be यार थोड़ा energetic. तुम्हें प्यार ढूंढवा रही हूँ मैं आज. Okay, I love the energy. Let's go now. Yellow flag here, and I think you are wearing a yellow band. If I am not, oh you're not. ठीक है, sorry, मैं थोड़ी अंधी हूँ. So basically, yellow flag here means that I just want to be friends with you. We can decide if you're not vibing with someone, you can just be like, okay, let's just be friends. The red one means that I am looking for something serious, and I think हम दोनों के बीच का थोड़ा potential है. Okay, so we can explore something. The pink one, however, means I still like you. I think you're cute, but I want to keep it casual. So I hope everyone is gonna follow the rules. Please किसी को creep out मत करना, मुझे जेल नहीं जाना है. Thank you. 55 seconds have passed. Don't mind me, अभी थोड़ा short. What next? भूख लग रही है. Time's up. Time's up. Chitting chattings बंद कर दो अभी. Let me talk, guys. Let me yap. How was this round? Do you think this question was spicy for you guys? Mixed feelings, huh? Mixed feelings. Can I please see your flag? Oh, I see pink. I see pink. Rutuja. Yellow. I see red also. आपने किससे बात की अभी तक? Nice. हाँ. Oh, so there is red. Can I see some flags here? Okay, yellow everywhere. And hear me very carefully. Everyone, please. After this event, are you guys exchanging your phone numbers? Oh, they have already exchanged phone numbers. Okay, is there a second date happening? I want to see flags. No, is there a second date happening?
Likely, I would say.
Maybe. Oh my God, guys! ये अंधेरी to Bandra जो collaboration हो रहा है. I want to see you guys go back together to अंधेरी now. Very cute. Can I get a hoo-ya for them? What is your biggest turn on and what is your biggest turn off? And your time starts now. In 3, 2, 1, flags up please. भाई साहब बातें बंद करो, flags दिखाओ मुझे. बाद में करेंगे. Okay, I see 2 pink flags finally. Can I see the flags here? Okay, interesting. I am going to come to you guys. Now I want you guys to go and find anyone cute that you've been eyeing for a really long time. Like जिसमें बहुत time से आपकी नजर थी या आपको वो cute लग रहा है. Find anyone. ऐसा नहीं होगा. Okay, even if so, if everyone goes to that one person, we call that one playboy on stage. What do you say? Let's go. And then we will see who this boy chooses. Now the tables are reversed. We are not gonna give him princess treatment, by the way. So be very careful, okay? So I'm gonna give you guys 10 minutes to settle in, but make sure you find someone cute that you have been eyeing. Not everyone has been eyeing, okay? Can I have you guys in places? 3, 2, 1, find your cuties. KK apparently has lots of baddies around him. Guys, do you think KK is the playboy of today? Yes. Acha, we have some cute boys on the stage. Yeah.
I think no, because even if you're emotionally drained, you just take some time apart and you talk it out because you're like, hey, I'm dating KK. Okay.
Okay.
Like, if
Everyone wants to date KK.
Yeah. I'll just talk it out with you. Like, see, I'm having these problems with you and shit like that. So yeah, just work it out. Don't just cheat on me with him.
Can we get a yes for communication, please? Okay, so this was Shahzan's answer. My question was, do you think it is okay to cheat if you are emotionally neglected? And Shahzan gave a very good answer. Okay, now, phone. Okay, now, what do you think about Shahzan? Can I have your flags out from whatever? Oh, we have a red flag for you, Shahzan. More flags up, girls. More flags up. He's literally got a guitar for us. Woohoo!
I actually have a shoot after this, so that's not one.
That's so cute. You're so smart. Can we get claps? Wow. So any girls who are into this actor who can sing and is also quite good looking, please you know where Shehzan is sitting. Thank you so much, Shehzan. Wow, man, this is just so wholesome, guys. You're so cool. I love you. Aww. Yeah, we had a nice interaction. I really liked talking to her. No, you have to do a jazzy slow dance with her. Aditi, यार तुम song recommend करो यार.
अजब सी अदाएं आँखों में तेरी अजब सी
Can I get a big round of applause for these two? Is there a second date happening?
Yes, sister.
I love a man who's very sure about the kind of girl he wants. That's very rare to find in men these days. Thank you so much, guys. Work well. If you guys get married, you know how to credit. Just saying, putting it out there in the universe. Of course, as long as it's in Mumbai. मेरे से इतना traveling नहीं होता, मैं delicate like that. Oh, in Jodhpur I came. So you have pink band and you have a red band. But do you think the situation is pink or more towards red? Sir, you got game. I'm very impressed by you. I'm gonna call you guys up on stage in a bit to check the actual compatibility. And you actually have to impress her because now I'll be the judge. You met her today, so what all you've got to know about her? Okay, 1, 2, 3, start.
Okay, so she is Jia Sharma. She is from Bihar. She have lived in West Bengal as well. She has moved to Bihar again. She has done her studies from Bihar and West Bengal. And she has done her high school from Mumbai. And she has her nails done. Come on, that is the most plus one thing a girl can do. She has her nails done and she's so up to date. She has done everything properly. About
I
her.
love that. You're so on time. Okay, Zia, your turn now. Wait, 1, 2, 3, start.
So I really like his style and his vibe. He like comfortable करते हैं मुझे. Also I'm a very nervous person and I like his vibe. I think he's very creative and I love what he does. And he's going to do a video shoot after this and I really love that. And I would love to be a part of your life as a friend or if you want.
Oh my god!
Sure.
If it works,
Definitely.
Big red flags, I mean in a good way. Wow, this is so cute, guys. Can I have a huge round of applause for that? Guys, thank you so much, and I really hope this works out for the two of you. Honestly, this is
Thank
so
you
cute.
so much.
The hottest has risen.
इश्क आज कुछ ज्यादा
So cute. Oh, Bollywood moment set together. Thank you. Or someone cute to hang out with, or just a friend, as I can just see. And this has been really lovely, but we still have our final segment where I have to give you guys some really cute gifts and hampers that we personally prepared. And we have a little cute wall here where you have to come and we'll take Polaroid photos of you. You can either come with the person you have found today or a person you would like to be in touch with just for your memory.
Whoa! Oh yes!
And again, it was lovely meeting you guys, and I hope we keep on doing this again and again. Bye!